Hey guys, it's Courtney with BDS Suspension, and it's already that time of year where we begin working on our SEMA build. If you remember last year's build, Project Ranger X, which was our 2019 Ford Ranger that made its debut in the Ford booth at the 2018 SEMA show. You can watch the full build series on our YouTube channel, our IGTV, and Facebook. Earlier this year, we had the opportunity to tag along on the four-wheeler Overland Adventure. While we were out there, we were handling multiple terrains out in Arizona, having a really great time. We saw a lot of capable rigs that were multi-purpose built to be out on the trails for extended periods of time. This year, we want to build our own Overland rig. So behind me is our 2020 Ford F350 Superduty that our team has been busy tearing apart. The first thing we did was take the bed off this truck. We plan on replacing it with a full-service utility box by Knapheide. That way we can fill it with all the gear that we plan on using out on the trails. The next thing we did was replace the factory fuel tank with a 65-gallon Titan fuel tank so that we could double the range and go beyond out on the trails. So we're going to need the extra ground clearance and suspension performance to handle the larger tires and the terrains that we encounter. So we went ahead and put on our 4-inch radius arm lift with Fox shocks and Fox coilovers. We have a long ways to go to finish this rig for SEMA, so stay tuned by watching our next episodes. We can't wait to finish our new rig, Go Beyond.